ever tried to wear it natural for
Long period of time.
so I'm not really sure.
If you want your hair to be easy and look fucking phenomenal, what do we need it to be?
Healthy.
And if you're straightening it, it cannot be. If you can give me 4 months
Okay.
of not doing it, so from today to the next time you see me, if you stay with it, if you eventually I don't even do my hair, it just does this. I shower, I may or may not use product, and it does this, and my hair is phenomenal. And if that is your goal, then no smooth away, no oils, no straightening.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Yes.
I do want it to be fucking simple for you as well.
That's what I want too. I feel like that is what I'm looking for, definitely. I don't want to be straightening my hair. I'm with you. I agree.
Yeah, you just have way too beautiful of hair to do that. And if you're just getting started and this is what your hair fucking looks like, oh my god, girl. You have amazing hair.
Okay.
And this is nothing compared to like me. Do you always go down the middle?
I do.
Do you always go down the middle?
I do. I'm not, committed to it if you think something else would be better, but that is usually what I do.
Just curious, whip it right over. And then give me a big puppy dog head shake there. And then hold that for me. And give me another head shake. Definitely went straight across the bottom. Because that is straight across the bottom, isn't it? Yeah, she did good there. I'm seeing it's like that.
Yeah.
Right? So I think if we're able to kind of knock out a lot of these layers, we'll be able to kind of trickle that in. This, I'm going to get it to arc over a little bit more. And it's down naturally how you can see your shoulder. Now it's like, I'm not really jacking too much like I really want to pull some off just for the sake of growing it out nicely. But I think if we could get something along the lines of that.
Yeah, I like that. I think that's kind of what I get bothered by is it feels very square. Like very much
Same.
just like roundy.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, you got a beautiful face. We gotta make it work with your face. Because right now, yeah, your shoulders is drowning and so is your face.
Yeah.
So I think if we open both of those up, and by opening that up, that's square here. It's your face training here. That means this will be higher. You're gonna have to go much more natural.
Fully and completely to sound.